Getting your 1000 subscribers should not be a problem with this app I'm going to share with you. This is the latest AI app that people are using to get their first 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours within 24 hours. So I came across a lady that shared this beautiful app and I decided to try it out and it really worked. So I'm here to share it with you guys. She talked about how a student use this app to get 1000 subscribers within 24 hours. Like the person was on this number of subscribers and he went to 1000 subscribers within 24 hours. Now, how does this app works? Now, first thing first, after uploading your video, just click on your link. You right click on your link or you upload the video directly from your gallery. Now, how does this app help to make your videos go viral? Now, number one is this app will help you scan your video and pick out the key moments or the important parts that will capture people or capture the mind of people to watch your video. All right, this app will help you to catch those moments and put it in short for you. And not only that, this video will also help you to generate good titles, thumbnails, and even descriptions for you. Not just that, this app will also rate the chances of that video going viral. All right, so it's a very good app. It will rate your video from the scale of 1 to 100, so you pick out the highest volume of it, and you know that when you have up to 99 or 80, you choose 99, right? Yes, so this is how sweet this app is. All right, so like I've said before, this is an AI app, okay, that is helping people videos to go viral with shots. All right, so I'm not going to waste too much of your time. I'm going to take you through a screen-recorded video and share with you a step-by-step way on how you can use this app to generate massive views for your shots. All right, so if this is your first time of coming across my video, don't forget to like this video, all right, so that YouTube will push this video out to as many people that is out there that is struggling to get their first 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours. And also subscribe to my channel for more tips on how to grow on YouTube and how to make money online. So without wasting your precious time, I'm going to take you through a screen-recorded video and share with you how this app works and how you can use it to get massive views on your shots. First of all, you come to your browser and type Opus Clip. So once you are here, you click on this Opus Clip. I click this second one. This second one that is showing Opus Clip, one long video, 10 viral clips. You click on it. Yeah, so this is the interface of the site. So now for you that is just coming into the platform, you have to sign up with them. Now as you can see, it's free, so you click on this place that they say it's free, you sign up. So once you are here, they are going to ask you to sign in with Google or sign in with your email. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Google, continue with Google. So immediately you sign in. Now signing in means that you're signing with your Google account, your Gmail account, or any of your Gmail accounts that you want to use in opening an account with them. You go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to take you down to this place. Okay, so when you get here, you are low on credit. They said upgrade. Now they have paid version and they have free version. Just because I want to be using the free version, I'm going to go ahead and click on close because I want to be using the free version. So I'm going to click on close. If you click on upgrade, then you're going to pay for their service. You're going to pay for their services. Yes, I'm still going to click on this place that look like bad sign. Yeah, so I'm going to click on it and close this interface. So when you get to this part, you either use a link here or you upload the video directly from your gallery. All right, so in this video I've already copied my link, so I'm going to go ahead and put in my link here. Please don't re-upload the video that you've uploaded before, all right, because it's against YouTube policy. I'm just doing it for the purpose of this video. All right, so now the video has already pumped out here. All right, so now the next thing you need to do is to click on get clips in one click. All right, now as you can see, there's a project submitted successfully. All right, so you wait for it to download and process everything. Now your first project is currently processing 20%. You are likely to process. This is where they are checking the video, where the video will perform well, how it will attract people to click your videos, and the thumbnail and everything. This is the process. They are doing everything, so you hold on and allow it to process its thing. All right, so this is the video that it has generated for me. All right, so like I've said before, I use a short video to do this. All right, so if you're on the pro version, I think you can use a longer video and it will shorten the video for you. All right, so now I've told you the essence of doing this is for the sites to get the important places for the video, get a good title for you, get a good description for you, get a good thumbnail for you, and generate all these beautiful things for you so that you'll be able to post it on your channel or any social media platform so that your video will catch the attention of people. Those like that is the app is getting those key moments for your videos to go viral. All right, so when once they get these key moments, they will combine it together so that your videos will start doing well, so that anybody that sees your video will start, engaging on your video, and your videos will go viral. All right, so when you are done, you click on post if you want to post it from here. But if you don't want to, you can download it, publish on, as you can see, you see publish on social, download HD, and all those things are here. You can download it directly to your gallery, or you can just post it from here. Now this is transcript that it gave me. Video is for you. In this video, I'm going to share with you 12 codes that you can use to get data cheap from the network that I've just mentioned, and all those ones. All right, so now this video, now this second part has 85% of 100 over 100, 85 over 100 potential to go viral. All right, so now you check the two moments it will give to you, because I'm on the free version. They gave me just two, and then as you can see, the first one has 99 potential for it to go viral. All right, so you choose the best one and download it. Now one thing about this platform is that it also brightens and just keep everything at top notch. Your videos will be at top notch for you to use on this platform. All right, so anything you don't understand at all, you can just let me know, and I will chat better. All right. So I think you enjoy this app when you pay for it. All right, so this is the video entirely. All right, so this is it. Now as you can see, the words are also talking by itself, you understand? So it's a very nice one. All right, it's a very nice one, a very nice one. All right, so just let us know if you find value in this video, and if you find value, don't forget to share this video to your loved ones. All right, and then also like this video, subscribe to my channel for more valuable content, and how to grow on YouTube, and how to make money online, because time to time I also share that. All right, thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in my next video, guys. Bye bye.